Okay, now this is the interpreting data revision worksheet. So now let's see the first question is categorizing the data. So we have two different categories. It's qualitative and quantitative. Qualitative can also consider as categorical, and quantitative can be considered as the numerical. So according to the name, we can see the numerical is related to numbers. The other one is names. So as long as we can distinguish that, then we can fill in the first row. So first, the number of students. See, it already told us it's number, so it could be numerical or quantitative. So the first one is quantitative. And under the quantitative data, we have two different types. One is discrete, the other is continuous. Okay, they are all quantitative. So I use QUAN to represent quantitative. All right. So discrete is mean we can count. Continuous is we measure. So the number of students in your class. So we just count it one by one, right? So this is countable, so it's discrete. So it's a discrete data. And the time you spend on watching TV, time is a number, right? So it's not a name, so it's also quantitative. And how do we say a time? Do we count the minutes or count the second, 1 second by 1 second? No. We use the clock to measure the time. So as long as it measures, so it's continuous. And the color of eyes. So you won't say your color is 1, 2, 3, right? The color is a name, so it's qualitative. So I use QAA to represent. And then in the qualitative data, we have nominal and ordinal. Nominal is mean just normal, no order. Ordinal can be ordered. So which means you can rank. There's a rank there. So for the color, you can't say black is better than white or black is better than red. They are equal, so you can't put in order. Therefore, color would be nominal. And then next one, subject. Subject is also names, right? You have math, English, humanities, and you can't. So they are qualitative, and you can't say English is better than math or math is better than humanities. They are equal, so there's no order. Therefore, it's nominal. And the grade you achieve in your test. So you will have A plus, you have A, B. Okay, that's all about names. So it's also qualitative. But in this case, you definitely can say A plus is greater than A is better than B plus, better than B, so on, right? So it can be in order. Therefore, the grade is ordinal. And next one is the birthday month. So birthday month is like January, February, right? So is a name. So this is a qualitative data. And also January always go before February and then March, so in order. So therefore it's also ordinal data. And the hotel accommodation rating is about rating. So rating we know is 5 stars, like 4 stars or 4.5 stars, right? So from good to bad, and we also can excellent or good or bad. Okay, these are not numbers, so it's also qualitative. And because 5 star is all definitely better than 4 star, right? So it can be ordered. It's ranking, so it's ordinal. Next one, the point of scored. The scores are the point in the basketball game. So the point we say is how many score is numbers. Number is quantitative. And then the score, we do it 1 point, 2 point, 3 point, we count it up. So therefore is discrete, you can count it. The height of a student in year 7, height, so for example I'm 175 centimeters, okay, it's about numbers. Number is quantitative. And how do I know the height? I measure it, okay, I'm not counting 1 centimeters by 1 centimeters, so therefore it's continuous data. And the air pressure is the same, is a number, so it's quantitative, and we measure it. So this is the question 1, how do we categorize data? Okay, let's see the second one. Second one is talk about mean. Mean is average. Median is the middle number. Mode is the most common number. Range is the maximum, take away minimum. So we need to all know this concept first. So mean, average, how do we find average? We plus all of the data together and then divided the amount of data. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 7 data there. So I will plus them up together and then I divide it. So 7, 9, 13, 17, 22. So 22 divided by 7, okay, is about 3.1. Okay, that's enough. So when we talk median, the middle number, we need to rearrange those numbers first. So how do we arrange? Start from smallest to biggest. So we have 2, 2, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 2, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, and 5. Okay. So we count it 2, 5. We find the middle. Okay, we count from top to bottom. So we have 3 would be the middle number. So each side of the 3, we have 3 digits. We have 3 digits. So 3 is the median. Range is the maximum. Maximum is 5. Minimum is 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. So the most common number we can see 2. We have 3 2's there. So therefore the mode is 2. So next one, mean. We add all the number together. Divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digits. 9, 10, 11 is 18. Divided by 6 is 3. And median, same thing, we will arrange first. So we have 1, 1, 3, 4, 4, 5. And then we count from small to big. We count. We see there's 2 numbers in the middle. So if there's 2 numbers in the middle, we add those 2 numbers together and then divide it by 2. 3 plus 4, 7 divided by 2, 3.5. So the median is 3.5. Range, maximum minus minimum. Maximum is 5, minimum is 1. 4, 5 minus 1, 4. The most common number for the mode. So we can see both 4 and 1, they appear twice. So therefore mode is 1 and 4. So mode can be 2 numbers. So and then the last exercise. Mean, the average, we plus all the digits together and then divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 7, 9, 9, 15, 22, 24 divided by 8 is 3. Median, we rearrange them. We have 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 6. And we count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 digits. 1, 6, 2, 4, 2, 3, 3, 3. The middle also have 2 numbers. So therefore we add those 2 numbers divided by 2. 61 by 2, we have 3. Range, maximum minus minimum. Mode, the most common number, 3. So this is straightforward. Now the next one is we convert the data into the tally frequency tables. So in 3 columns. So here we need to show the category. So we have from we have the minimum, we have 2, we have 3, we have 4, we have 5, we also have 6. Okay, so this table, so those called total. And then what we need to do is we just record all of those onto the table. First 5, write down tally here, 3, another 3, 6, 4, 4, 4, 5, 3, 5, 6, 4, 5, 3, 3. So every time we have 5, we cross the line. Okay, 4, 3, 2, 4, 5. And then we just need to count how many Tuesdays. Only 1. And then each of these represent 5. Okay, this represents 5, 5 and 1, 6, 6, this is 5, 2, then we add them up together, 7, 13 is 20. So now this is the frequency table. And dot plot. Dot plot, okay, we need to use a ruler. So we know that we have 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We have 5 different digits. So I will measure 6 centimeters. And then expand a bit longer. So this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we don't need that, okay, but we can put it there. And then for each of the digit, we write 1 dot. For example, 2 we have 1, we have only 1 dot. For data 3, we have 6 of them. So I write them 6 point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And try your best to make sure all this gap, they are equal. Okay? And then 4, 6 as well. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can see they all have 6 numbers, and then I make sure they are corresponding and they are equal. Then that's beautiful. Next one, for 5 we have 5, so we write down 5 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, if we measure, you can see they're all in the same line. Okay, so that's what we need. For 7 we have 2, 1, 2, and that's how we get the dot plot. And the mode is mean which digit is the most common. So you can see 3 and 4, they all appears 6 times. So 3 and 4 are the modes. Alright, so now let's see another type of data. So for this type of data, we have 26, 21, 35, something like that. And we can't use the same idea as here. So this number, we can't put it one by one. Otherwise, we need to arrange a huge amount of categories. So then we group them together, and then the question will always tell you to find the interval, which we also can the range from 11 to 20. So how do we do that is, it already told us it's from 11 to 20, so the next category should be from 21 to 30, 31 to 40, 41 to 50. Okay, if we have, we continue 50 to 51 to 60. And then we need to fill in the blank here. So it says students' recent test score. So the name of this data is the test scores. So the middle one, telling. The last row is for frequency. So we need to write frequency. So that's what we need. And then do the same thing. 26 is here. 21 to 35, 23, 34, 28, 49, 15, 20. 20 is here, right? It's from 11 to 20. So 20 is located the first categories. 17, 43, 48, 25, 36, 32, 47, 32, 30, 30 is here, 34, 35. Okay, then we count 3, 6, 7, 4. Total is add them all together, 20. Okay, that's how we do frequency table. And stem leaf plot. Stem leaf plot, they are in groups, stem and leaf. The group is start from the digit. Okay, so we have 26 or like 15, so they are in group of 10, group of 2, group of 3, group of 4. So therefore we see like the 26, we need to read what we need to write. For example, 26, we can just write as 2 and 6, and this we can also call is the keys. So now I have summarized that, and there are 3 digits here. So let's start from 1. We have a 5, 7. So we write 5 and 7. For the group of 2, we have 6, 6, 1, 3, 8, 0, 5, and that's all for group 20. Then I need to rearrange from the smallest to biggest. So I will have 0, 1, 3, 5, 6, and 8. For group of 30, I can write down, I will have 5, 4, 6, 2, 2 again, 0, 4, and 5. Then I write from the smallest to the biggest. 0, 2, 2, 4, 4, 5, 5, and 6. So this is so 0, 2, 2, 4, 4, 5, 5, and 6. Okay, and that's it. So next one is 40. 40 we have 9, 3, 8, 7. Then we arrange from smallest to biggest. And after we have done this standard plot, the better idea is you count how many digits here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So the total is 20, they match, then your graph will be correct. So the last digit is right the key. The key you can use either one of these number inside. So for example, I can use the last one. 4, 3 is equal to 43. So median, okay, we can start from counting, smallest to biggest. So after I count, there's a two middle number, 32 and 32. Therefore the answer is 32 plus 32 divided by 2 make 32. And it says pass the test 25 or higher, which means including the 25. Therefore we just need to see here. This represents 20, no, 21, no, 23. So we start from this number. 25, 26, this 1, 2, 3. This about 30. 30 definitely pass. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So therefore there are 15 students pass the test. Range, we use the greatest number, maximum, take away minimum. Maximum number is 49. Minimum number is 15. So if you take away them, it's 34. And 34 would be your answer. And that's all for the interpreting data topic. If you have any questions, feel free to come to ask me.